Okay, a few water.
Okay.
Okay, start over here. What is that? Oh, yeah. Okay, what's the number? Why is it -3 here? Is this double shot?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And push over here and see the bottom. Oh, that's kind of hard. Okay. Push the double shot. Waiting how long? How long does it take? A minute?
No.
Let's count. So while you're waiting, we put the coffee beans in here. Oh, that's moving. It's shaking. Oh, only one side? It's shaking. Looks like milk coming out, huh? Oh, look at that. The foaming. Yummy, smells so good.
Yeah.
And then you're making the cream.
Just make this one, but
Oh yeah, just use this one better. Make it foam. Oh, you haven't opened it yet? That's a lot of work for our espresso machine. What kind of milk are you drinking?
whole milk.
Grass-fed, organic, Horizon. Making then cream froth. No, milk froth. That's yummy, foaming. Now you have to go clean it. Recycle coffee. Oh, ground coffee. You have to clean that one too, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Do they stop by itself, the milk froth?
Yep.
Wow. Is it hot or holding? No.
See, it's still done. Yep.
For the steam.
That's
Okay.
fine. Hi.
Oh, you could have made into like a heart, huh? Does this one look like a shape of something too? Like a teapot with the steam coming out. Enjoy!